हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड एंड टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज़ बिजनेस लेटर। आज हम बिजनेस लेटर का टॉपिक स्टार्ट करेंगे। ऑल ऑफ यू हैव डन इन योर टेंथ क्लास आल्सो। टेंथ क्लास में भी आप सभी ने ये टॉपिक्स किए हुए हैं एंड प्लस वन क्लास अगेन वंस अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज। इसको फिर से एक रिविज़न के तौर पे हम करेंगे। सो आई होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट very properly. So let us see the business letters. Business letters, if we talk about, in business letter we are writing three types of letter: inquiry, placing order, and third one is complaints. Third one is complaints letter. One more is there, cancelling order, but mainly we are focusing on inquiry, placing order, and complaints. So first of all, I will discuss about inquiry letters. For which type of topics we are writing inquiry letters? किस तरह के topics के लिए हम inquiry letters लिखते हैं? For example, course. If any institute is organizing or going to start any course, that may be in spoken English course, that may be a course of computer course, and you see advertisement in the newspaper. You watch the advertisement in the newspaper and you want to do that course. आप वो course करना चाहते हैं, you are interested in pursuing that course. Regarding that you will get the inquiry. उसके regarding आप inquiry letter लिखते हैं. Second is goods. Goods means the things. So many big companies are there, shops are there, schools, institutes are there, those who need some goods to run their institutes. For example, books. School needs books for the library, furniture, sports items. If any shopkeeper is there, he needs crockery items, and any shopkeeper is there, handlooms items. For example, curtains, covers, pillows, quilts, etc. So all these things can be inquired to the wholesale merchants in the inquiry letter. In inquiry letter we inquire about the product's price. हम इंक्वायरी में क्या पूछते हैं? प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस क्या है. इफ वी आर इंक्वायरिंग थ्रू बिजनेस लेटर, व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट प्राइस, उसके प्राइस क्या है, एंड व्हाट इज द डिस्काउंट. वी आर फोकसिंग मोर ऑन दीज टू थिंग्स. व्हाट विल बी द प्राइस ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट्स एंड हाउ मच डिस्काउंट विल बी गिवन इफ यू गिव डिस्काउंट ऑन ए बल्क. तो कितना डिस्काउंट दिया जाएगा. थर्ड वी डिस्कस अबाउट द डिलीवरी. Or we discuss about the delivery of the order, in how many days the order will be delivered. These three things are keep very important things in the inquiry letter. After getting inquiries of these three things, price, a discount, and delivery, and fourth, which is very important, that is a mode of payment. That is important, mode of payment. You will inquire in these inquiry letters mode of payment. Mode of payment means if you give order to that company, what will be the mode of payment. He will take the money in advance, or he will take the money in installments, or he will take the whole money after the delivery of the order, lump sum amount. So these four things you have to inquire when you are placing order regarding these things: books, furniture, sports, crockery, handloom. You will confirm first of all price, discount, delivery, mode of payment. So these things are given much focus when we are writing inquiry letters regarding purchasing of the goods. Now I will tell you what type of things are given more focus when we are inquiring of any course. हम किसी कोर्स के बारे में जब इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो किस तरह की चीज़ों पर ज़्यादा फोकस दिया जाएगा. लेट अस सी. व्हेन वी आर मेकिंग इंक्वायरी फॉर एनी कोर्स, हम किसी कोर्स के बारे में इंक्वायरी करते हैं तो वी हैव टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन द मेन थिंग्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी गिव रेफरेंस of the advertisement, reference of the advertisement given in the newspaper along with the date. We start this letter with the reference of your advertisement in the Hindustan Times, dated, you will mention the date. Regarding the course of computer, I would like to say that I am interested to pursue this course. So after that you will make some inquiries, but before joining I would like to make some inquiries through this letter, and further you will mention your points. I request you please reply, give answer to this letter, give reply to my inquiries as soon as possible. Then you will mention what type of inquiry you are doing. Duration means duration of the course. कोर्स की ड्यूरेशन क्या रहेगी, जो कोर्स आपने मेंशन किया है, इज इट ऑफ 3 months, 2 months, 5 months, 6 months, what will be the duration. Next is the fee structure. This is most important, you will focus more what will be the fee structure, क्या fee structure रहेगा. Mode of payment you can also mention in this, the what will be the mode of payment for regarding depositing the fee. It will be lump sum amount in the installments. Next is the batch timing. If you are interested to do that course, you will definitely confirm you want to inquire about the timing of the batch. According to that you will make a plan to join that course. Next is methodology, teaching. Methodology means teaching methodology. If you want to you join that course, first of all you want to discuss, you want to know about the teaching methodology. What type of teaching methodology is there? Smart classes are there, notes are being provided there or not, weekly tests are there or not. So they will tell you all the things in the answers. Next is faculty. What is the faculty? Faculty कौन सी है? Teaching staff. Faculty means teaching staff. Teaching staff किस तरह का है? Who is the teaching faculty there who will teach you in that course? Next is a conveyance. Conveyance means any transport facility is available there. For suppose you are living in the village, you want to confirm that if I join this course in your institute, would you send any vehicle? Means transport. Conveyance means transport. So these inquiries you want to make. After that, if you want to get the more detail, you can request for the prospectus also. If there is any prospectus for that course, please send that prospectus, or you can send the money also, 100 rupees as money order, DD, as you like. So in such a way inquiry is made of any course. Before this I told you inquiry of the goods, and this is the inquiry for the course. Now we shall proceed to placing order. Now I would like to tell you about the placing order. For example, you got the answers of your inquiry letter. You sent 4 or 5 letters to any different sellers, and they sent you reply back. उन्होंने आपको वापस reply भेजा, and you liked one of the wholesalers amount reasonable, and delivery is also very fast. So you want to place order to that dealer, तो आप उसको order करना चाहते हैं. So I am telling you about the goods. Order for goods, placing order. Nowadays online order can be placed. So many apps are there, shopping apps, Flipkart, Paytm, Amazon. So many apps are there through which you can place your order by sitting at home. No need to write one letter, even though we have to write some letters for the bulky order. So let us see what will be the procedure. When you are writing letter placing order, it can be written in two styles. The beginning can be done. For example, you are placing order after inquiry. So you can mention here, first of all you may thanks to the dealer. First of all you may thanks to the dealer. We are very thankful to you for sending the reply of our inquiry letter. Letter number also you can mention. And after that you should mention that we are interested to place order with you, your company, as we found your rates reasonable. So after that you have to give the detail, order detail, which products you want to purchase. That may be of books, that may be of furniture, that may be of sports, कुछ भी हो सकता है। तो ऑर्डर की डिटेल आपने कैसे देनी है? आफ्टर राइटिंग 2-3 लाइन्स यू विल मेंशन द ऑर्डर डिटेल, यू विल मेक वन बॉक्स, आप उसके अंदर बॉक्स बनाएंगे। बॉक्स कैसे बनेगा? यू विल मेक वन टेबल, you will make one table. In that table, first of all you will write serial number, then name of particulars, name of goods you want to purchase, name of goods you want to purchase. Then you can say quantity you can mention name of goods, quantity, and further if you want you can mention the brand also. Here you can make a column, space is less, I want to tell you. Further you can enhance, after quantity you can make a box, you can enhance the box, brand, which brand you want. Okay, you will mention brand, or if any color is there, color or size. If you want to purchase the products in such a way that there is you want to mention the color or size. For example, you want to purchase curtains, so here you will mention the name of goods, curtains. Okay, what will the size? 4/9. Okay, 4/9 का आपको चाहिए या 4/7 का चाहिए? Okay, brand, कौन से brand चाहिए? What will the color? You can mention color also. In this way you will have to make a box, table. ऑर्डर की जो डिटेल है, ऑर्डर डिटेल शुड बी क्लियर कट. आई वांट टू टेल यू that can be done only and only in the box. One box is enough to mention all the things. Once again I am telling you, you can make the so many rows if you, it depends upon you as per your choice. क्या आपकी चॉइस है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप टेबल बनाकर उसके अंदर दे सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट आई वुड लाइक टू डिस्कस विद यू, नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज देयर. Our next point is payment. When you are placing order, definitely you will mention the payment. A payment lines can be there. For example, 50% amount you are sending in advance. You are sending in advance. It can be through check also. It can be through check. If you are sending through check, then you will have to give the number of the check. Okay. If you are sending through DD, अगर आप डीडी के थ्रू लेटर भेज रहे हैं तो डीडी का नंबर आपको और डेट आपको मेंशन करनी पड़ेगी. इसके अंदर चेक है या डीडी है, यू विल हैव टू मेंशन द डेट. और द पेमेंट यू वांट टू से दैट आफ्टर डिलीवरी, पेमेंट विल बी सेंट आफ्टर डिलीवरी ऑफ द ऑर्डर, डिलीवरी ऑफ द ऑर्डर. So you mean to say that you will have to mention one line of payment. Whenever you are writing letter of placing order, आपको पेमेंट की लाइन लिखनी पड़ेगी. आप 50% पेमेंट चेक के थ्रू भेज रहे हो, डीडी के थ्रू भेज रहे हो. वन थिंग मोर, ऑनलाइन ट्रांसफ़र. इफ़ यू हैव ट्रांसफर द अमाउंट ऑनलाइन एंड यू विल राइट द मोड ऑफ पेमेंट. इट इज़ आपने नेफ्ट के थ्रू भेजा है, कैसे पेमेंट किया है, यूपीआई ट्रांसफ़र है, नेफ्ट है. You will have to mention give the reference of the payment ID, transaction ID. You will have to mention along with the date. Next is our packing. You will have to give the instructions regarding the packing. Packing के बारे में आपने instructions देनी है in the letter. The packing should be well and good. Good packing should be there. If anything is found broken, you may give instructions. If anything is found broken or if anything is packed of the old edition regarding the books case, the things will not be accepted. वो things जो हैं order जो है वो हम accept नहीं करेंगे. तो packing should be in a proper way. बहुत अच्छे ढंग से packing होनी चाहिए. It should not be that through transport the things are found broken. If the things are found broken, if the carelessness has been shown in the packing, the order will not be received. We shall have the right to send the order back. After mentioning the packing details, you have to give the details of the discount. When you are placing order in return, you should mention one line of a discount also. You can remind them 15% discount as per the terms and conditions when they send the reply in inquiry letter. You may mention that 15% discount as per your order should be given on the whole products. उस पर हमें जो है इंस्ट्रक्शन 15% डिस्काउंट मिलना चाहिए. If you don't want to give reminder, you can request also. You may request in the placing order for a discount. Whatever discount you want, you should request to the dealer, to the receiver of the letter, that discount should be given on this order. Next, I would like to tell you about the next point is delivery. That's very important. Delivery of the order. So as per the terms and conditions of delivery, you may give instructions. You may give instructions in the last lines of the letters that our orders must be delivered in 15 days. 15 दिन के अंदर अंदर within 15 days order must be delivered. Order जो है वो deliver हो जाना चाहिए within 15 days, 7 days as per your requirement. For example, you are a businessman, shopkeeper. There is a great demand of the crockery items as per the occasion of Diwali festival. You may give instructions so that order must be delivered as soon as possible, as there is a great demand on the occasion of Diwali. And for example, you are giving order for sports goods. You are giving order for sports goods. You are the sports head of the school. You may give instructions regarding the delivery of the sports goods as fast as possible due to the urgent requirement, due to the sports tournaments. You may mention here. Same thing can be written from the librarian side also, canteen holder, that books we need earlier as per the session has started. Students are in the great need of the books. So delivery line also should be written. So dear student, this is all about the placing order. I have told you, you can take the screenshot of the points whenever you are writing placing order for the goods. First of all, you have to keep in your mind order details that should be in the form of table. Next is their payment. You are sending the payment 50% in advance or after the delivery of the order, or you are sending a payment through NEFT, lump sum payment, transaction ID, check number, DD number with date. Third instruction you have to give regarding the packing. Packing should be well and fine. Fourth instruction you are giving that about the discount, how much discount you require from the dealer, कितना discount आपको चाहिए. You may remind or you may request him. And the fifth is delivery of the order. When you want that your order should be delivered, आप अपना order कब deliver करवाना चाहते हैं, you may give the instructions and you may give the warning also. The order must be delivered within the time period, otherwise we shall be have the constraint, we shall have the right to cancel the order. आप उसमें warning भी दे सकते हैं. और generally we are ending the letter with hope. हम hope के साथ letter end करते हैं. I hope that you will deliver our order as soon as possible, or you will facilitate our dealings by delivering the order as quick as possible. So with thanks, yours faithfully. After that you will write your name. Now it's the time to discuss about the complaints. After placing order, our next step is towards complaint letters. For example, you placed order to one company and the order is delivered as per the terms and conditions. वो order deliver हो चुका है. When the order was delivered, you found that there is a defect in that product. We usually purchase some products through shopping apps. Whenever any product is found defected, we make a replacement return. We return the products. And similarly, when there is any complaint in that defect in that delivered order, you will make a complaint letter. आप क्या लिखेंगे? Complaint letter you will write. So let us see what are the ingredients for writing complaint letters. Complaint letter लिखने के लिए क्या क्या हमें चाहिए? तो first of all we need a reference of the order. Two things are there: reference of the order number or wide cash memo number. Two things are there. I would like to make it clarify. मैं आपको यहाँ clear करना चाहूँगा. Reference of order number. For example, when you wrote a letter, so you might have written the letter on the letter pad of your institute. तो उसमें एक ऑर्डर नंबर होता है विद डेट. तो यू विल स्टार्ट योर लेटर. आप अपना लेटर स्टार्ट करेंगे विद द रेफरेंस ऑफ आवर ऑर्डर नंबर डेटेड. आप डेट मेंशन करेंगे. आई वुड लाइक टू complain about the defective products. We received through your company. So one can be made on this way also. If you had sent the letter through placing order, and for example you have purchased from that shop by visiting there. अगर आपने वहाँ जाकर वो सामान खरीदा है और आपका ऑर्डर नंबर नहीं है, डायरेक्टली यू विजिटेड दैट शॉप इन दैट सिटी एंड यू परचेज्ड प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर एंड दे गिव यू कैश मेमो नंबर, बिल नंबर, तो वो भी आ जाता है उसके अंदर. उस केस में आप कैसे लिखेंगे? विद द रेफरेंस ऑफ योर वाइट कैश मेमो नंबर. जो उनकी जो रिसिप्ट आपको दी है, बिल जो आपको दिया है, वो कैश मेमो नंबर और उसके ऊपर आपका क्या होता है? डेट. फॉर एग्जांपल यू गो टू अ सिटी शॉप, यू परचेज मोबाइल देयर और यू परचेज वॉशिंग मशीन, रेफ्रिजरेटर, तो दे गिव यू बिल. वो आपको एक बिल देते हैं, दैट इज अ कैश मेमो नंबर. आफ्टर दैट यू विल टेल दैट defective in the products. What is the defect in the products? We shall discuss now in detail. Next point is that this is the first point, reference of the order number or cash memo number. Then you will mention here defects in detail. What is the defect in that item? You will mention in the detail. उस products में क्या problem आई थी and to whom have you shown. If it is any this item is of electric, you can show that I have shown these items to the local electrician. For example, if it is you have purchased washing machine, refrigerator, you can mention in the letter that I have shown our products to a local electrician, but according to him there is a technical fault in it. उसमें technical fault है इसके अंदर, and that's why he is helpless to repair it. तो उसमें जब technical fault की आप बात करेंगे, तो after that you will mention that guarantee or warranty period. This is number 3, guarantee and warranty period. Some things are there when you purchase that those are in guarantee period. Guarantee period gives you assurance that of the replacement of the products, and when there is a warranty, in warranty repair is done only. This is the difference between guarantee and warranty. गारंटी में आपको जो है वो प्रोडक्ट पूरा का पूरा जो है वो आपको रिप्लेस करके दिया जाता है, और वारंटी में अगर कोई चीज़ है तो वो आपको रिपेयर करके दी जाती है ताकि रिप्लेसमेंट का उसमें रहेगा. तो यू कैन मेंशन द प्रोडक्ट इज अंडर गारंटी या वारंटी, कितनी उसकी वारंटी पड़ी है, यू कैन मेंशन इन द लेटर. आप उस लेटर में मेंशन कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपके स्मार्टफोन में कोई फॉल्ट आ जाता है एंड व्हेन यू गो टू अ केयर, जब आप उसके केयर में जाते हैं उस कंपनी के ब्रांड के, तो वहाँ आप बताते हैं कि इट इज़ अंडर वारंटी, ये भी वारंटी में है, तो आपका फ्री काम उसमें हो जाता है. नेक्स्ट है, आफ्टर टेलिंग ऑल द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव टू मेक ए रिक्वेस्ट. जब आप कंप्लेंट लेटर लिख रहे हैं तो कंप्लेंट में आप क्या कर सकते हैं? रिक्वेस्ट फॉर रिपेयर और रिप्लेसमेंट. अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट में थोड़ा बहुत फॉल्ट है तो उसमें आप रिपेयर की रिक्वेस्ट डाल सकते हैं. इफ द प्रोडक्ट इज आउट ऑफ नॉलेज, आउट ऑफ सर्विस थ्रू द इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द लोकल इलेक्ट्रिशियन, तो यू नीड दैट रिप्लेसमेंट. इफ इट इज अंडर गारंटी देन यू शुड रिक्वेस्ट दैट द होल प्रोडक्ट शुड बी रिप्लेस्ड एज फास्ट एज पॉसिबल. तो हेयर यू विल मेक ए रिक्वेस्ट. आपने एक कंप्लेंट लेटर में और रिक्वेस्ट करनी है रिप्लेसमेंट की और रिपेयर की. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, This is all about the business letters. I hope you well understood it. आप सभी को ये समझ आ गया होगा. So now you have to do what? You have to do practice of these letters, because practice makes a man perfect. So see you in my next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.